it's just about staying in the line of dance, in the flow of dance when you're doing that much different turning. I always kind of end up backwards, I feel like, and then I don't know how to rescue.
Okay, no, yes. Because a sandwich many times that happen, you go backward. Let's see, that's my line of dance. Let's see that I started in this way. Facing the line of dance. And I don't do the clock. Here I close right away. Do the cradle. That's a way that you can always recover to the line of dance. Other question?
One question with the sweep. When you've done the sandwich and then you're sweeping your partner,
yes.
Where is your partner's weight? Because I didn't feel like I was sweeping my partner. I felt like I was I wasn't able to sweep her.
Yeah, I saw. What you were doing is not wrong. It's another rendition. That one we call it the top. Now I will show you the difference, but you can always use either one. The top, the one that you were doing, her weight is here in front of you, in this foot. In the clock, no. So you, with your body, you keep her in the back foot. So then she rotates with her weight on the back foot. Now if you do the other one, you bring her close to you. So then she rotates on this foot. So that's for you guys to research on that. So that's, and always when you do something that you feel is not what you wanted to do, analyze it because there is another step there, always. Good. And okay, let's do a recap. Let's put all these ideas together. We have the embrace with eye contact first. Nice. You can start with either element. Let's do that salida. Let's walk. We can do the box. The cradle. A little bit of pause to embellish. We can do the backward 8, like we did it today, with the forward backward. We can do the sandwich, and we feel like doing the clock. Close with the forward 8. And the tango close is always an option. Very good. That is your homework, guys. Put it together with a song. Enjoy tango. That is wonderful.
Thank you so much, everyone.